When we built a new vacuum pump, we also built a new production line. We are looking for optimal combination of assembly speed and quality, because a vacuum pump is only as good as the process that makes it. The stage is set for the GHS 402 to 902 VSD+. The production line is organized in such way that the pump can be put together efficiently, because we want to keep the lead times as short as possible. We reorganized our assembly process because this pump features truly innovative design elements. The GHS 402 to 902 VSD+ boasts a new air end with blow-off valves, allowing it to start with high pumping speed from atmospheric pressure, offering much faster pump down performance. This GHS VSD+ will hit the ground running. At the end of the assembly line, every unit is tested for maximum performance. That's how we honor our commitment to reliability and efficiency. This production line is the shortest path to a quality product, because excellence in assembly creates excellence in performance.